I mean, really, you can't beat this for scenery. This is a beautiful spot of southern Arizona. Top secret location. I will say that it is close to Madera Canyon. Other than that, you got to find it. What are you doing, huh?
Not nearly as much as I thought. Morgan, come here.
Morgan! What you doing? She's such a cutie. And she's such a cutie. Look at you. You look so cute. Ooh, that's a bit chilly. Hiking along the water is one of my favorite things to do. Come on, Corgi. Good job, Morgan.
Wow.
What are you gonna do? Yes. How's this for a freaking spot, huh? Okay, and that about concludes our little hike through an area close to Madera Canyon. If you can find where it is, I highly recommend coming out. It is a beautiful place. It's very rare that you see other people out here. So I think today I saw another person, and that is officially like the third time I saw another person here. So you got a chance to come out here, you definitely want to check it out. But until next time, we'll see you on the next one.